Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep.
Hello there, beautiful person. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. I hope you're having a fantastic day today and it's full of positivity and happiness. Today we are going to be showing you how to make chicken pesto pasta. So this is a recipe that we looked up and we just kind of added our own little twist to it, and now we're just gonna make it. I have my fiance Spencer here with me. He's helping me gather things, being sous chef, but he's just gonna go ahead and let me take over here in a second, I'm sure. Yep. So if you guys want to know how we make our chicken pesto pasta, then just keep watching and let's get into it. Okay guys, ingredients. So we have some butter, right? We have some minced garlic that we have here. We have our black pepper. We have our salt. I'm not going to use this salt. I'm going to use the Himalayan salt here. That's okay with you? I'm going to use this salt actually. So we're gonna do that. We have an onion that we're going to dice up here in a second. We got some Parmesan cheese, some half and half. We got the pesto, the chicken broth. We have chicken, the pasta that we just put the pot to boil. So we're boiling water right now, and then we're gonna make the pasta regular. And then we do have this Cajun sausage that we're gonna make on the side because Spencer wants his sausage on the side and I'm gonna eat more chicken. So that's our ingredients. And then like I said, we just started boiling the water. If you guys can see over there, no you cannot. No, you cannot see, but we started boiling the water here. And then I think we're gonna start the chicken here. Oh, you know what guys? We do need flour too. I just remembered. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour. So let's go ahead and grab some of that real quick. So here's the flour. We're gonna need it for the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing everything and chopping things up. So I think I'm gonna start off by chopping the onion first and then working on the chicken.
Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me.
This is one strong onion. I'm just cutting it up into little pieces right now. I'm literally crying. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead, add the pasta to the boiling water. So we're just gonna add that in there. And then you can cook it al dente. I mean, you can cook it up until it's al dente or just let it cook it through. I've done both. It tastes pretty much the same, honestly. It just depends, I guess, how you like your noodles. So we're just gonna let that sit for about like 10 minutes or so. Okay, so Spencer's just gonna cover that up, and in the meantime, I already cut up the onion. Oh my gosh, because that was a strong onion, let me tell you. Like, it literally was like really strong. I only did half of it because you can cut up like a small onion just depending how much onion you like. We just did half of a big onion. I'm not really a big onion person, but Spencer does love like grilled onions, and that's what we're gonna do with them. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up the chicken and wash it. And then we're gonna go ahead and start like coating it with the flour and like the salt and pepper. So we're just going to, what's the word? Marinate it? Maybe?
Season.
Season it. Season it. Thank you, babe. Season it. If I can open this. Okay, guys, I just washed my chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and just take away any like parts that I don't want, like any fatty parts and all of that stuff, and then we're just gonna cut it up and we're going to coat it. Okay guys, just chopped up all the chicken. Now in a bowl, you're just gonna go ahead and add the chicken in there. Babe, can you grab me some oil, please? Sorry guys, you know what? I'm really bad at like letting you know what the ingredients are, because I feel like I'm adding them as I go here. But you did need oil too, so this is virgin olive oil. And if you would like, you can add Italian seasoning to it as well. So it's up to you, but basically we're just gonna season this. So we're gonna add some oil. If you want exact measurements, we'll try to include them at the bottom. But at this point, I just kind of eyeball it. I know, that's really bad. I mean, for you guys, because if you're trying to make it, like, come on now. So we're gonna do that. I don't know why I grabbed this one. I just like the way that it looked. I know this is for a salad. Sorry guys, we're so weird. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and add some pepper to it. Actually, that might have been a little too much. Just kidding. I'm gonna add some salt to it. Then we're just gonna add the flour to this. So basically you just want it to coat it because you're gonna put it on the stove. I'm gonna put it on medium. So if you put too little oil, you can always add as you go. We're gonna start making the sausage in this pan actually. So we don't need oil for that one, right babe? That one just, its own fat will probably cook it. But yeah, we're just gonna, do you want me to cut it up or are you just gonna throw it in there like that? Okay, I can cut that up for you. Yeah, we're just gonna cut the sausage and then wait till this starts heating up a little bit, then we're gonna add the chicken to it. So, be right back. Here we go guys, adding our chicken. Okay guys, so here's the chicken, here's the sausage. So we're just gonna move the chicken onto this plate. This same pan, we're going to add butter, saute the onions, and then I'll go ahead and update you guys after we're done with that. Okay guys, so here is 1 tablespoon of butter. Oh, we need to turn on the pan. So we're gonna put that on medium. I think I'm gonna do medium hot, no medium for now. That's gonna melt, and then we're gonna bring over the onions and we're gonna start sauteing them. We're adding the garlic, and now we're just gonna let this cook for 1 minute. Then we're gonna add the chicken broth to this, and then the pesto. So guys, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna try to hurry this up a little bit. Sorry. 1 cup of chicken broth. Okay, so here comes the pesto, guys. We're just gonna use this whole thing. This is 6.5 ounces. Okay, guys, so now half a cup of half and half. Add a little more. Okay. I'm gonna mix that together. Okay, guys, now we're just gonna go add the chicken back here. It's gonna be so delicious. We're just gonna mix this in and then add the pasta, guys, and then we're gonna be done. Doesn't it look delicious? I hope it does. Totally forgot, guys. We need to add Parmesan to it. So you can add as much as you want. I only add a little bit, and then I add a whole bunch to my own plate because Spencer doesn't like cheese. Yes, guys, Spencer doesn't like cheese. He's a weirdo. No, I'm just kidding. I love him, though. I do love you. There is a ring on my finger. Okay, now we're going to add the pasta, guys. After 2 to 3 minutes, though. Yeah. But we're going to add the pasta here. Okay, guys, here comes the pasta. Spencer's adding it because that might happen. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix that up and show you guys the final product here in a second. Good job, babe. You did really well. Because you got it all in there. Had it been me, it would have been everywhere. Okay, guys, that is the final product. We might have had a little too much pasta for the amount of sauce we made, but that's okay. Let's see. It's really good. Just need to add a little bit more cheese on mine, but super good, guys. Definitely recommend it. Now we're gonna eat, watch Interstellar. I really hope you guys like this video. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better.